Welcome to Daily Goal Target, where every day is a chance to grow, reset, and rise. This channel is your space for motivation that moves you, stories that strengthen you, and goals that guide you. In this first video, we're diving into the one thing that separates dreamers from doers: daily decisions. No hype, no shortcuts. Just the truth about what it takes to build a life you're proud of, one step at a time. Let's begin. Every morning, you're handed a blank page. No matter what happened yesterday, today is unwritten, and the pen is in your hand. You don't need to know the whole story. You don't need to predict the ending. You just need to write the next line. That's how progress works: one sentence, one step, one decision at a time. The truth is, most people underestimate the power of a single day. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect mood, the perfect plan. But perfection is a myth. Progress is real. And it starts with showing up. You don't have to feel ready. You don't have to feel motivated. You just have to decide. Decide to move. Decide to try. Decide to be a little better than yesterday. Because every time you choose action over hesitation, you build something. You build trust with yourself. You build momentum. You build a life that reflects your values, not your fears. Think about this. The most successful people in the world aren't the ones who always feel inspired. They're the ones who act anyway. They've learned that discipline beats motivation. That consistency beats intensity. That small steps taken daily lead to massive change. So what's your step today? Not your dream. Not your 5-year plan, just today. What's the one thing you can do that moves you forward? Maybe it's making that call, writing that page, going for that walk, saying no to something that drains you, saying yes to something that scares you. Whatever it is, do it, not because it's easy. Not because it's glamorous, but because it's yours. Your goal, your growth, your responsibility. And here's the secret. The more you show up, the easier it gets. Not because the task changes, but because you do. You become stronger, sharper, more confident, more capable. You start to trust yourself. You start to believe that you can handle hard things, that you can stay consistent, that you can build something meaningful. And that belief? It's everything. It's the foundation of every goal, every dream, every breakthrough. But let's be honest, some days will be harder than others. Some days you'll feel stuck, tired, frustrated. You'll question your progress. You'll wonder if it's worth it. That's when your decision matters most. Because showing up on the hard days is what separates the committed from the curious. It's what builds resilience. It's what builds character. You don't grow by avoiding discomfort. You grow by walking through it, by facing it, by proving to yourself that you're stronger than your excuses. And every time you do, you rewrite your story, you shift your identity. You become the kind of person who doesn't quit, who doesn't wait, who doesn't settle. You become the kind of person who chooses growth even when it's inconvenient, even when it's slow, even when it's silent. Because real growth isn't loud, it's not flashy, it's not viral. It's quiet, it's steady. It's built in the moments no one sees, so don't chase applause. Chase alignment. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. Don't chase comfort. Chase clarity. And clarity comes from action, from doing the thing, from showing up, from choosing your goal again and again and again. You don't need 100 goals. You need one that matters, one that moves you, one that reminds you who you are and who you're becoming. So choose it, own it, protect it, and pursue it. Because the life you want isn't built in a day. It's built daily, through decisions, through discipline, through devotion. And every time you show up, you cast a vote for the future you believe in. Every time you act, you build the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. So take a breath, get clear, and make your daily decision, not tomorrow, not next week, today. You've got this.